Hello, hi.
Hello. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Haris Khan. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Sophie. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
From Pakistan. I am from London, UK, but I currently live in Spain. Do you live in Pakistan now?
Yeah, I live in Pakistan.
And what do you do?
I am a student studying BA Software Engineering.
Software engineering. Great. Which year are you in? How long before you finish?
I'm currently in the fifth semester, so I think a year is left.
Okay, okay. And what do you plan to do after?
Of course, we'll be doing work at software houses,
Uh-huh.
or online freelancing, etc.
Wonderful. And what are your hobbies?
I like sports and I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah?
And
What do you do on your YouTube channel?
I upload tutorials related to my field, software engineering.
Right, that's really good. Do you spend a lot of time doing your channel?
Yeah, of course.
Good. And what about family? Do you live with your family or do you live alone?
Yeah, with my family.
And how is the coronavirus affecting your life at the moment?
Yeah, in the area I live, there is no more coronavirus, but still, due to the government, the institution are closed.
Right, I see. Is that all of them? Schools, colleges, and universities?
Sorry?
Is that all of the institutions, schools, colleges, universities? Are they all closed?
Yeah, yeah, all are closed.
Right.
Uh,
Today
we
is
are
the,
taking
go on.
online classes are started.
Right. And wow. Here, the schools have returned today. It is the first day back after the holidays. So we will see what
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, here it is returned to online classes after some winter vacation.
Yeah, yeah. Did you have a good vacation?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. What did you do?
Nothing special, but I have given time to YouTube, as I only say my YouTube channel,
Hmm.
and sometime call on Cambly and watch English talk shows.
Yeah.
But most of time I give to my YouTube channel.
Good, good, good for you.
Yeah,
Um,
recording tutorial videos for it.
that's a really good idea. So what is the weather like where you live? Do you live somewhere cold or is it still quite warm?
Not too cold. It is 15 centigrade, 10 centigrade.
Yeah, that's
It's a
okay.
winter, but
And at night, does it drop very far down?
it's dropped. No, centigrade fall down to 5.
Right, that's okay. It is warmer than here. Last night it was
Yeah,
it
yeah.
was 0, and at the moment it's about 9 degrees here in Spain. I live in the north of Spain, not too far from the mountains. It can be quite cold. Did you see in the news that Madrid had a huge amount of snow this weekend, more than in the most they have had in 50 years? I can show you
No,
some
no.
pictures. Yeah. People were going to work with skis.
Hmm.
Yeah. Look. So this is the first time in 50 years that it has been like this. Can you see?
Yes, yes, I can.
Yeah. And there was somebody who
Oh.
went to work with the skis. It's quite funny.
Hmm.
Yeah. But I mean, it was really bad. People were stuck. Here's the guy going in skis to work. Can you see?
Hmm.
People were stuck for 2 days in a shopping center in the north of the city.
Oh.
Yeah. Luckily, they were somewhere where they had heating and food, but they were closed in the shopping center and sleeping on the floor, customers and workers, for 2 days. So it was pretty bad,
Hmm.
pretty bad. Does it snow where
Somehow,
you
yes.
live? Does it ever snow, or do you need to go
No.
into the mountains?
Yeah, we need to go on into mountains.
Have you ever seen the snow?
No, I haven't seen.
Okay, yeah, no, I ask people, not everyone has seen it. When you are a
Yeah.
child, it is wonderful, but when you drive a car and it snows, it's not so great. Good.
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
So I'm going to ask you my usual questions now about how you learn English and what you use. Is this your first time on Cambly?
No.
Okay. So do you use BBC Learning English, the free resource for learning English? It has hundreds of videos for learning.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can use this link in your own time. And this
Okay.
website is from the British government as well. It's free and it tests your listening comprehension. And it has everything. You speak good English, but it has everything from beginner to advanced C1 with all different types of accents from people all over the world. And it's a really good way to practice your listening comprehension.
Okay.
Okay, and the other thing I would recommend to you is to regularly read in English, but I imagine that you do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I read.
What language do you study in?
Um, we speak here Pashto in Urdu, and I have learned English.
Then the last thing I would recommend is reading the Guardian tech bit. I can't remember what it's called now. But this newspaper is really good and it will really challenge your English. So really good way of, I've given you international, but if you look through, you can find the tech area if you prefer. Good. Okay. So what will you do after this? After you have done Cambly,
After,
what will you do?
so I'll try to record a video for my channel.
Mm-hmm. How long does it take
Yeah.
you? Do you plan it first or do you just do it kind of naturally?
No, some for my videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have started series on, for example, React. So I make videos in series. So
Okay.
many I have recorded and which are left. So one by one I record when I find free time.
Yeah. How long does it usually take you?
It depends. Somehow it's take 15 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute.
Okay, so not too long. Do you do a lot of preparation before the video?
Yeah, a little bit preparation. So
Just
I
a
have
little.
already studied those topics. So that why I just it's take 5 to 10 minute in preparation.
Excellent. That's quite quick. I imagined that it would take much longer. So do you make a video more or less of what you have studied? And when
Yeah,
you
yeah,
finish studying the topic, that's a really good idea. And then other people can use it to help them study as
yes,
well. Yeah, good.
yes, of
Uh,
course.
yeah, excellent. Well, that sounds like a very
Thank
good
you.
idea. So before you go, tell me, what time is it where you are?
It's 2:45 p.m.
Right. Okay. So have you had lunch?
Yeah, we have
What
taken lunch.
what did you have?
I have taken rice in lunch with chicken.
Okay. In who cooks in your house?
My mother
Yeah, you're
and
lucky.
sister.
I really like Pakistani food. It's very good. There are many restaurants in the UK, especially in the north where my father-in-law is from. So I really enjoy the cuisine. It's very
Thank
delicious.
you.
Yeah, okay. Well, listen, well done. Your English is really good. Keep practicing. I
Thank
hope
you.
that the links that I have sent you, especially the second link,
Okay.
will help your listening comprehension. You can test yourself if you want to.
Okay.
And like I said, I recommend regularly reading The Guardian or a similar newspaper. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you. You're
bye.
welcome.